Hello BCAN, my name is Karina Mandel and I'm the founder of Plexus. I just want to introduce my other teammates are Ellis, Eamon, and Kelsey, and I think they're fantastic members of my team because they each have a specific unique skill set that make them invaluable to this project. Kelsey does UX design, Ellis is a data architect, so he'll help plan this project. The vision in terms of software, how it will be executed. And then of course, Eamon is he works on relational databases, so he's also a software developer, but works a little further down the line. So that's the team. And my passion, my vision for this project started 4 years ago when I was really frustrated as a social worker about the lack of organized resources and wishing that there was a place collectively where I could reach out to others or where I could find resources for other people for all in one place. And I think that for this opportunity to work on this fellowship, because we're a little beyond the idea stage and moving toward beta testing, I really hope that BCAN and the Founder Fellowship can be an experience for me where I learn a lot to get me to the next stage of this project. I know I still have so much to learn, and having some organized classes and a group of peers that I'm working with, I think will really help me take this to the next level so that I'm not just working on it by myself, but I really take it out of the box. And so right on the Baltimore Creatives website, it says, Baltimore's got talent. We're building the network to help our city's creatives thrive. I think my app and my software hopefully can help you do that. I want to help others realize their potential and their needs for what we need in this city. Because there's so much talent in the city and people are just struggling to find each other. It also, right underneath, says, we're on a mission to foster a stronger, more equitable Baltimore by empowering artists as entrepreneurs. So in Baltimore, sometimes it can be a lot about who you know or who you don't know. Hopefully this equally distributes information to everyone. Also, if you were to find out and try to look for the information on how many businesses there are, there's actually over 30,000 businesses, and it would cost you about $4,000 to get that information. So this technology I really hope is disruptive in that it empowers access to everyone in the community, artists and throughout the city alike. I've been a community lead at Impact Hub. I've seen some of the other efforts of the other startups, and I'd love to create a space where they're collaborating with each other, because there could be an artist at ETC or Impact Hub or working on some really creative projects and just need a way to reach out to other people that maybe that they don't know about or right down the street from them. Specifically, the Baltimore Integration Project is working on this as well to unite the universities through making procurement more accessible to the community. So this is just another tool, another component to allow for people to collaborate. I'm sure BCAN has gotten over 50, 70 applications. I know ETC, the Elevation Awards, so many of these other organizations are flooded with people that are actually really trying to make a difference, and I'd love to elevate all of them in order to collaborate with each other. I, as well, would help the Baltimore Creatives Nationwide program leverage all of the resources, all of the people that they've ever put through any training, and say, hey, if you're in Texas and you want to work with somebody in Spain, let's figure out what each of your projects are, create an algorithm to be able to match you, and work on that relational database to see what are the strengths between the cities. Maybe Texas and California are working really well together, or maybe there's connections between the East Coast that are either really strong or could be made stronger. So having a map can kind of give us this hitchhiker's guide to the galaxy, and I think that would be invaluable as a tool where we could all collaborate together. So thank you for listening. My name is Karina Mandel, and this is Plexus.